Today we are going to evaluate logarithms. We learned in the previous videos that logarithms are exponents, which makes it very simple to evaluate some logarithms by inspection. So for example, what is log base 2 of 8 equal to? To answer that question, we have to ask the question 2 raised to what power equals 8? 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So log base 2 of 8 equals 3. What is log base 2 of 32? Again, what must 2 be raised to get 32? You can use your fingers to count. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. So log base 2 of 32 equals 5. What is log base 3 of 81? 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. So log base 3 of 81 equals 4. What is log base 5 of 125? 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. So log base 5 of 125 equals 3. What is log base 7 of 7? Just 1. Because 7 raised to the first power is 7. You can memorize that any number raised to the first power is the number itself. So when it comes to logarithms, when the base b and the argument, by the way, we call this the argument, are the same, then we always get 1 as a solution. Here's also an interesting one. What is log base 3 of 1? What must be 3 raised to in order to get 1? Recall that any non-zero number raised to 0 equals 1. So log base 3 of 1 equals 0. So when it comes to logarithms, when the argument is 1, the solution is always 0. If you want, you can memorize these two basic logarithmic properties involving 1. But you can also think about the equivalent exponent laws and conclude from those the logarithm laws. That's what I do. What is log base 5 of 25? 5 squared equals 25. So log base 5 of 25 equals 2. Now it's getting interesting. What is log base 5 of 1 over 25? So 5 to what power gives us 1 over 25. Recall that the law of the negative exponent says that a to the negative of the nth power equals 1 over a to the nth power. So any expression with a negative exponent is just 1 over the same expression with a positive exponent. So 5 raised to negative 2 equals 1 over 5 squared. Which is 1 over 25. So log base 5 of 1 over 25 equals negative 2. What is log base 25 of 5? So 25 to what power gives 5? Recall that a raised to m over n equals the nth root of a raised to m. So we can write 25 raised to 1/2 as the square root of 25, which is 5. So log base 25 of 5 equals 1/2. What is log base 25 of 1/5? Recall that we can write 25 raised to the negative of 1/2 as 1 over 25 raised to 1/2. And 25 raised to 1/2 can be written as the square root of 25. So we get 1 over 5. Do you see the pattern here? What is log base 2 of 16? Log base 2 of 1 over 16, log base 16 of 2, and log base 16 of 1/2. I really encourage you to pause the video and try this on your own. 2 to the 4th equals 16. So log base 2 of 16 equals 4. 2 raised to negative 4 equals 1 over 2 to the 4th equals 1 over 16. So log base 2 of 1 over 16 equals negative 4. 16 raised to 1/4 can be written as the 4th root of 16, which is 2. So log base 16 of 2 equals 1/4. And 16 raised to negative 1/4 equals 1 over 16 raised to 1/4 equals 1 over the 4th root of 16 equals 1/2. So log base 16 of 1/2 equals the negative of 1/4. If you like my videos, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning, everyone.